How to set a timer for music on iPhone. This video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can set a timer on it for your music on your iPhone. So the first step I want you to be doing is go ahead and look for an application called Clock. So you can go ahead and look for it here. If you can't find it here, just go ahead and use the search icon, guys. So let's use the search icon. Go ahead and type in Clock. So where it says Clock, just go ahead and click on that. So when you open your Clock, guys, I want you to just look just down below your screen, guys. Just down below your screen, you'll be seeing where it says timer. So just go ahead and click on timer, guys. When you click on timer, as you can see, guys, this is a timer, so we are not setting the timer. Just hold on, guys. So where it says when timer ends, I want you to click on that. So click on where it says when timer ends. So when you click on that, look down below your screen, you'll be seeing where it says stop play. So just go ahead and click on stop play, click on set. So when you click on stop playing and click on set, I want to, by default, yours should be here. Should be here, as you can see, guys. So just scroll down and click on where it says stop playing. Set it. So let's set this for 10 seconds or 11 seconds. So let me just give you an example, guys. If you want to be playing music for an hour, you can just set it for an hour. So for example, I want to play music for just 17 seconds. Just watch it, guys. We'll just click on start. When I click on start, I'll go ahead and play music. As you can see, guys, the music will stop playing automatically once the timer elapses. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next